A heat gun is a versatile tool that delivers high-temperature air for tasks like stripping paint, shrinking tubing, softening adhesives, and more. The best heat guns combine precise temperature control, durable construction, and safety features, making them essential for DIY projects, professional repairs, and crafting. Compact, easy to handle, and efficient, they save time and provide reliable results for a wide range of applications. Starting at number 1, SEEKONE Heat Gun. The SEEKONE 1802 Heat Gun is a powerful and versatile tool designed for both professional and DIY use, delivering to temperatures up to 1202 deg 650 Ders for fast and efficient heating. It features variable temperature control and adjustable airflow, allowing precise heat application for tasks ranging from shrinking heat shrink tubing and bending PVC to stripping paint and loosening rusted bolts. The ergonomic design reduces strain during extended use, while built-in overheat protection ensures safety. With 4 included nozzles, deflector, concentrators, and reflector, it offers flexibility for a wide range of applications, making it ideal for crafts, electronics repair, and heavy-duty heating jobs. Number 2, Wagner Spraytech Heat Gun. The Wagner HT1000 Heat Gun is a reliable and versatile tool designed for household projects, featuring 2 temperature settings of 750 deg and 1000 deg to easily soften paint, caulking, adhesives, or putty, as well as shrink wrap, bend plastic pipes, and loosen rusted nuts or bolts. Its dual fan speeds provide added control, while the corrosion-resistant nozzle, integrated stand, and hanging hook enhance durability and convenience for safe hands-free operation. Lightweight and user-friendly, the HT1000 is ideal for a wide range of home improvement and DIY tasks, backed by Wagner's long-standing commitment to safety and quality. Number 3, Master Appliance HG301D. The Master Appliance HG301D Industrial Heat Gun is a professional-grade, heavy-duty tool delivering 1440W of power and reaching a maximum temperature of 800 DGF, making it ideal for demanding tasks such as paint stripping, heat shrink tubing, epoxy work, and plastic bending. Built with a rugged die-cast aluminum housing, an ergonomic soft grip handle, and a 90-degree adjustable stand, it provides both durability and comfort for extended use. Its standout quick-change plug-in heating element allows for fast replacement, minimizing downtime and extending the tool's lifespan. Designed and assembled in the USA, the HG301D ensures consistent performance and reliability for industrial, automotive, and heavy-duty DIY applications. Number 4, DEWALT 20V Max Heat Gun. The DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Heat Gun Kit, DCE 530P1, is a versatile, portable tool that delivers temperatures up to 990 days with approximately 42 minutes of runtime per charge. Ideal for heat shrinking wire tubing, removing adhesives or decals, softening paint or putty, shrink wrapping, and plastic shaping, it offers 2 temperature and fan speed settings for precise control. The kit includes a flat and hook nozzle, a 5.0 Ah battery, and a charger, providing everything needed for immediate use. Additional features like a lock-on/lock-off trigger for hands-free operation and a built-in LED for working in dark spaces make this cordless heat gun especially convenient for tight, hard-to-reach, or mobile work environments. Number 5, Makita XGH01ZK Heat Gun. The Makita XGH01ZK 18V LXT cordless heat gun delivers a high temperature of 1022 df with a maximum airflow of 7 CFM, providing a powerful and portable solution for a wide range of tasks. Designed for cordless convenience, it offers up to 21 minutes of continuous runtime with an 18V LXT 6.0 AH battery, sold separately, making it ideal for work in areas without mains power. Its ergonomic design features a soft grip handle, lock-on, lock-off trigger, and LED work light for comfort and precision. This versatile heat gun is perfect for vehicle wraps and tinting, stripping paint or varnish, thawing frozen pipes, loosening tiles or putty, reheating adhesives, removing stickers, and bending plastic pipes and sheets.